What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, meeting up with a few of the homies. I'm going to go to Speed Zone, meet up with Ryan, Luis, and Franz. Not sure if anyone else is going to be there, but we'll finally get to see Luis's car in person since he's got his new color. So it's not going to be a big surprise. If you follow him on Instagram, you already know, and I'll put the thumbnail. I'm not gonna try to hide it because it's not new information, but we're gonna go take a look at it. I know it's definitely pretty dope, and I just can't wait to see it in person. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over to Speed Zone. Alright, so yeah, I know I promised to show you this one. I've been kind of focusing on it so much, like the cameras are not doing it justice because there's so much pearl. Like, you can see some of it there, but there's so many different colors. Like if you get it from like this angle, it looks all orange. It's dope. Like his Instagram, he been getting a lot of hate on some of these pages, but this is dope. And I've seen this color a few times in person too, but this is the first time I've seen it with so many pearls. Like, that's crazy. It's like paint. Well, I mean, it is auto flex paint, but you know what I mean. It is crazy. Also, homie Ryan showed up. Sorry about that. It really pops. Sheesh. Aired out. Definitely gotta get that nice rolling shot. Alright, so he's all done. We done went and had a little food, so we good. They didn't air them out, but they got them. Yeah. Looks like we ain't got Franz here. I don't know where he's at, but looking pretty good. It's pretty dope as well. And very clean. This just came in. Very clean. Alright, he showed up. Now, oh, excuse me, sorry about that. Now, I haven't really got the brakes yet in the daytime. Sheesh. Come on now. You can't tell me that ain't hot. Alright. Sorry about that noise. Right by the street, but never get tired of this. Will not get tired of this. I don't know if you can see it, but it got the lights in this too. It's kind of hard to see, but it's lights in there too. And big thing I wanted to check was around the wheel wells, because I know sometimes with the auto flex, that's areas that are not that great, but looking at all of them, they all look great. Definitely feeling it. Also, while here, I may have seen the wheels that I like. Stay tuned. It's in a price range too, so definitely stay tuned. I didn't place the order yet, but I think I got the ones I'm gonna get. Yep, just realized we all have drilled and slotted rotors with the custom brakes. And the Florida residential. Everybody got different colors. Even though mine and Ryan's are close, he got the black inside too. It's funny, two of us got the black ones and then two don't. Alright, yeah, sorry about this, guys. I actually forgot to end the video. We just hung out for a little bit longer. Not much went on, but yeah. For this one, I'm actually getting close to 3,000 subscribers, and I'm thinking about doing another giveaway. So definitely, if you stay tuned into this video to the end like this, leave a comment down below. Would you guys be interested in me doing a kit like this, doing the star headliner giveaway, or would you guys prefer another underglow kit or something like that? Definitely leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll kind of get the feedback and go from there. I'll be doing a separate video for that. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you check out the homies. Links to all of their Instagrams will be down below. You should be able to just click it, so you shouldn't have to type them in, but you could also search them if you want. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.